Perfect for quick service restaurants, casual dining, and bakery cafes, this heavy volume 1800-watt microwave from Amana can cook over 20 baked potatoes or over 25 salmon fillets per hour, keeping up with the demands of a busy operation. The unique energy distribution provides even heat throughout the cavity, and the unit's stackable to save on counter space. An LED display shows time remaining in the cook cycle, and the unit's USB compatible for convenient programming. To learn more about this Amana microwave, call or visit ktom.com today.